What's going on, everybody? David here. Today I want to talk a little bit about the 10 frames per second with the Sony camera, and I'm going to talk a little bit, and then I'll show you actually how to work it out. So as far as the 10 frames per second, it doesn't come right out of the box. So if you take your camera out and you try to shoot 10 frames per second, you're not going to get it. You have to change some settings in your camera in order to get that. And we're going to go over that right now. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that you need to take in order to get those 10 frames per second. Okay, so in order to shoot 10 frames per second, there are a few things that you need to set up in the menu. So right out of the box, you'll have your single shot. So if I were to focus up here and take a shot, it's just going to be single shot. So if I hold my finger down, all it's going to do is take one shot. So we want to change the menu settings. So we'll go ahead and go to menu, and we want to go to the camera. So camera 1, that's where we're going to go. So we're in camera 1 here. Oop. Drop down. First thing you want to do is the raw file type. You want that to be compressed, not uncompressed. So you have to put that on compressed. And then we're going to go over to the third section here. And it says drive mode, and it says single shot, right? Or single shooting right there. So you click on that one. And now you have your single shooting. You want to drop down one. And continuous shooting high. Now you want continuous shooting high plus, because continuous shooting high will give you 8 frames per second. So that's 8 frames per second. But we want to go a step further, and we want to do the 10 frames per second. So let's go ahead and go back into the menu. Now we need to wait for the buffer to finish, and you see the indicator down here and this little red light, which is gone away. So now we can make changes here. So click on that again. So now we're in continuous shooting high, which we were before. This little dial here is what you need to click over. So if I move that over, it says mid, it says high, and then it says low. So we want high plus. That's what we want. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And so after that, and we'll get a focus, and we'll have 10 frames per second. And it'll allow me to shoot up to 70 shots. And right now, you see at the top, it's giving me the indicator where the buffer is refreshing. There are things that you can do. I was concerned too as far as being able to take shots. So you can still take shots while it's continuing the buffer. So you can continue to take shots. You just can't have the meter go all the way down. This meter here can't go all the way down to the bottom. If it goes all the way down to the bottom, then you're going to be locked out. So, okay, so I just wanted to show you that quick little tip. If you have any comments, please post them below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.